that sucked. Yeah, guys, I went 30 minutes into all sorts of stuff and didn't have my mic on, so we're going to kind of try and blow through it. With that being said, good morning and welcome to another episode, another episode of Boring Crypto, the place where I read you the boring crypto news in the morning, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m., twice on Mondays. Why? Just so you don't have to. Guys, my name is Not Important and I'm your host, and I am sorry. It's a Monday. Yeah, let's just get right into it. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, the biggest news of the day is this Libra token that supposedly Javier Milei, the president of Argentina, promoted, got rugged, and everything's looking bad because of it. It's not a good look for the space. That's all of these are what we're talking about. The only other news story we have right now is Saudi Crown Prince impersonators launch fake Saudi Arabia meme coin. Weird. Guys, and what I talked about when I first started the video is that this meme coin shit has to stop. When is the last time you've seen a meme coin that has not rugged? I'll wait. While I sip my coffee. You guys know me. I tell you, I'm not a huge meme coin fan. I've made a little bit of money off them. I'm usually not. It's usually, look, they're all bullshit. They're rugs. There's tons of projects with utility, with good devs, people that are trying to expand the... What's the word I'm looking for? Wow. Trying to, like, basically expand cryptocurrency, guys. Expand the technology. That's what I was looking for. To change the world, with blockchain technology, and memes are stealing all of liquidity. All of these projects that are doing well, they're doing good things that could literally push the human race in a good direction with crypto, without sounding like too much of a purist right now, but they're not getting any love or any eyeballs on them, or any funding or anything like that, because stupid lottery ticket meme coins are sucking up the market, and now it's hit a peaking point to where they're using presidents of countries to do rugs. Now, I don't think Javier did this on purpose. I started reading the article when I first started this video, and he talks about how he thought it was a utility token to help small businesses in Argentina, and then the devs basically rugged. And I gotta side with them until we get deeper in the story. Maybe there might be other news that'll come out, but this guy has been changing the face of Argentina, bringing it from poverty into the green with surpluses of money, etc., etc. Dude's been doing lots of crazy cool things and good things for the country of Argentina. Only to come around and do a rug pull with crypto, it doesn't sound right. What probably happened is someone talked him into it, said it would be a good idea to launch a token that's going to do all these good things, and those devs rugged, which usually is the case, and that's the point I'm getting at. That happened with Hawktua. The Hawktua girl launched a token, and the devs rugged. I don't think she got any of that money. That broad was not, I'm sorry, she was not intelligent enough to understand anything about crypto. She probably had a bunch of guys that were just slimy devs that went, hey, you should launch a meme coin, and it's going to be beneficial and good, it's going to make do blah, blah, and talked her into launching a meme token. And then they took all the money, and since she's the face, she gets holding the liability, which is absolutely diabolical. But people do absolutely diabolical things for money. Again, my long-winded response is this meme coin shit has to stop. If you want the crypto space to become adopted, if you want more growth into crypto space, this meme stuff has to stop. Stop. I don't... Look, you come to my channel to listen to me ramble and give advice, stop chasing memes. Unless you've got millions and millions of dollars to play with, just to be a shithead one day, stop chasing memes. It's going to ruin the space, and it's what we're seeing right now. So, with that being said, guys, per usual, I'm going to run through this stuff really fast because I already did all this, and I'm sorry. If you enjoy the content I provide for you every morning on Boring Crypto, guys, please by all means like the channel, share the video on all your social platforms, whether you're watching from YouTube or Facebook. Let's get more people in here. Let's get more crypto adoption, and let's get people looking at real projects with real utility and use case that'll help expand the technology and bring crypto adoption to the world, and let's stop looking at meme coins. On top of that, guys, go ahead and look On top of that, if you are interested in trading, learning how to trade, become better at trading, whether it be crypto or the traditional market. Also, if you're interested in just becoming financially savvy, guys, click on the link in the chat. That will take you to the Pip Connect. That is Andy Peters' Discord that he personally runs. There's roughly around 1,000 of us in there right now. And it's a community. We all help each other. That's how it works. More eyes on the market, asking questions, helping each other learn, etc., etc. It's a team of people crushing the financial game. Yay, Eddie. Dude, I am so sorry, bro. Eddie, I'm sorry. You know how embarrassing that is. I don't even care about that. I had a lot of good information that we were talking about, or that I was talking to myself about, and now I have to try and remember it. Anyways, outside of that, guys, let's dive right into it. Yeah. Current market right now, guys, sitting at 3.21 trillion. Bitcoin DOM's down, ticking under the 60%, which is good. 59.5% for the Bitcoin DOM. ETH DOM, it's ticking up slightly, 10.4%. And gas is up just a little bit, 5.22 Gale each transaction. Guys, fear and greed down from last week. We were in the 40s. Now we are sitting at 38. And I'm assuming it has everything to do with this Libra token FUD. Let's blow through that top 100, see what's going on. Bitcoin down about 0.5%. ETH showing a little bit dominance. Now here's what I was talking about. I was saying this, I have to keep saying that. I keep repeating myself that I was saying this earlier, but Solana's getting a lot of FUD. Radium's getting a lot of FUD. Jupiter's getting a lot of FUD based off of this, because and I don't think that's really a good, but a lot of these rugs are coming on Solana and through Solana dexes and things like that, because it's easy, cheap, and fast to make a project on Solana or make a token on Solana. So there's an idea that we're going to see a lot of liquidity flow from Solana into more trusted layer ones, which is not a bad thing in my opinion. Look, all the crap has been built on Solana. I don't know of any, like, really, besides Pyth, what other big utility products are being built on Solana right now. Let me know. And I'm not saying that like a challenge. I'm curious. I don't know. All I hear about is meme this, meme that, blah 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 on Solana. But right now, look at the layer ones that are ticking up. You're seeing Ethereum ticking up. You know, Binance Coin or Binance Chain has been getting a lot of hype lately. Again, I don't know of a lot of stuff being built on Binance. There were NFTs on it last cycle. Right now, I'm not sure, but you're going to see, if this FUD continues with Solana, you're going to see liquidity going to more secure, more stable, more decentralized layer ones. Keep your eye on Cardano. Keep your eye on Injective. Look at Cardano right now. What did I just say? Up 5.18%. This is a narrative that actually might spark an alt season, which is actually really good, because people are just over it. They're over pumping memes on Solana and getting rugged. So look at SWI, look at Injective, look at Cardano, look at Ethereum, BNB. These layer ones, these stabilized layer ones could potentially be getting some liquidity into them, because people are looking for a way out of this meme shit. So again, let's blow through that top 100, see what the top gainers are right now. Ethereum up 3.19%, which is good. We need some movement of Ethereum against Bitcoin to get our altcoins to move. Cardano up 5.39%. See if there's anything bigger. Any bigger moves. Aave up 6.56. Sorry, I'm trying to read chats and go through this fast all at the same time. Phantom, now Sonic, up 14.86%, almost 40% on the week. Guys, Lido Dow up 6.35%. Celestia up 5.2%. Injective, so I told you, layer one, 7.16% to the upside today, up almost 10% on the week. Radium, down 3.77%. What else we got? Ronin up 5%. Pancake Swap, guys. Pancake Swap is the basically the Uniswap of BNB, up 8.24%, 65.43% on the week. A lot of volume coming into dexes on BNB chain. Curve down up 6.2% for the day, guys. Helium coming in at your 100 spot, down about 0.5%. That is your top 100, guys. Let's get to the charts real quick. I'm just gonna say it this way. I erased a lot of stuff that I had because it doesn't matter anymore. All we're seeing right now, still on Bitcoin, it looked like we were breaking out of this downtrend. We rolled over after the FUD. This is the 4-hour. We're still just moving sideways. Our range right now is 95K up to about a 99K. That is all we're doing. This is as sideways as it gets. And until there's a catalyst, nothing's going to change. Everybody is waiting for something to happen, for a Bitcoin strategic reserve to be announced on the federal level, or who knows what. But there's two ways I'm looking at this. I believe the price is being suppressed. I could be wrong, but I believe it's being suppressed. Or the market sentiment is just that lame right now. And I'm on crypto Twitter or crypto X, what you want to call it, all the time. And it is. The sentiment is down, man. People want some big news catalyst to push this market. It's just how humans work. And until something like that happens, I got to be honest, I don't see retail flooding in. I mean, yes, there's retail here, but it's basic retail, like myself. But blow off top, parabola, retail is not here right now. And if they are, they're getting their asses handed to them in memes where they probably won't be back for quite some time. You know, a big question I've been trying to think about and ask myself is, how far did this Libra stuff set the market back? Right? Think about last cycle. If you've been around for a while, when FTX collapsed, Celsius collapsed, Three Arrows Capital went down. How far did that set us back? Yeah, when it comes to like adoption and you know, mainstream adoption in the crypto space, this could be a really bad catalyst. But there could be a silver lining, and that's what I was saying earlier, is that potentially this could push liquidity to our more solid founded layer 1 alts, or even to new layer 1s like Injective. Just something to think about and keep your eyes' eye on that stuff. Outside of that, guys, I had a lot of people asking me, should they exit Solana based on this FUD? And I'm going to say no. Will Solana rip to the upside? I don't know. But here's what I'm looking at. All right, and I did this all when I started it. If you were to ask me, based off of FUD, should I exit right now? I'm going to say no. And I'm going to let the chart dude explain. Nobody knows how much more FUD or how deep this goes with the Libra stuff and what this could do to Solana and the sentiment of Solana. But here's what I'm seeing right now. Strong support here. Strong support here. Strong support here. And now we're bouncing again. So my range that you're looking at in this box right now, and this is what I was saying. If we lose this area, the purple box, then I'd be exiting, personally. If we start tipping down into the below 170, 165, 160, 155 down here, 155. It's your last before this thing gets nasty, in my opinion. Personally, if we lose this box, I'm out. I will liquidate my positions in Solana, and I will personally move into other layer 1s that I see more promising. But again, even with this FUD, we're bouncing right here at 180, like perfectly. It's the same layer that's area that's been support for quite some time. Right here. Right here. So it still looks strong to me. Like, this is just where it's going to get bought up at. The only other issue, if you're trading patterns, the other thing you might be looking at potentially, you could potentially be seeing a head and shoulders pattern play out, which is a move to the upside, bounce, a rip to the upside, a retrace, another bounce, and it can't get the momentum and it rolls over. But I don't know. Again, I'm just looking at ranges right now, especially with how the price action of everything else is. Like I said, we start losing 170, I'll start liquidating. That's the answer to the question. People ask me if I'm going to exit Solana. Right now, it's just FUD. I'm not that worried about it. But that is the strongest support I see. And if we lose that, I'm not the only one looking at that, right? It'd almost be like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You're going to see people start getting at it at that level. All right. So, any questions? If there's anybody paying attention to me right now after I spent 30 minutes talking to myself. No? Good. All right, let's go. Javier Milei endorsed Libra token crashes after $170 million insider rug pull. Insider wallets started cashing out just 3 hours after the token was launched, erasing over $4 billion from its market cap. It's huge, guys. The launch of Libra, a cryptocurrency endorsed by Argentina President Javier Milei, or Milei? I don't know. Turned into a financial catastrophe after insiders cashed out over $107 million, wiping out nearly 94% of the token's value within hours. According to the on-chain intelligence firm Look On-Chain, at least 8 wallets linked to the Libra team siphoned liquidity from the token, pocketing $57.6 million in USDC and 249,671 Solana, worth $49.7 million. Good morning, Russell. Quote unquote, the Libra team has cashed out over $107 million. 8 wallets related to the Libra team have obtained $57.6 million in USDC, 249,671 Solana by adding liquidity, removing liquidity, and claiming fees. And there is your on-chain data and the wallets. Wild, guys. Libra token briefly rose to a peak market cap of $4.56 billion with a B dollars at 10:30 p.m. UTC on February 14th before falling over 94% to the current $257 million market cap in just 11 hours, which is still not bad. People holding their bags, man. Since the token debuted for trading on decentralized exchanges, Dex Screener data shows. The token's rally began shortly after a now deleted X post from President Milei, which shared a website and token contract address from Libra, which was a private project dedicated to quote-unquote encourage the growth of Argentinian economy. I'm going to read this to you guys. This is Javier. Liberal Argentina grows. The private project will be dedicated to encouraging the growth of the Argentine economy by funding small Argentine businesses and startups. The world wants to invest in Argentina. There's a contract address. This is long live freedom. Damn it. Guys, I gotta be honest. I gotta side with him right now. I don't. This guy has been literally changing the face of Argentina and making it a better country. Why would he rug his people just for a little bit of money? It doesn't make sense. I have a strong feeling that he was just a naive guy that doesn't understand blockchain that much and had some people get in his ear the same way they did to Hawk Tua. And this is what happened. So Javier goes on to saying, after the token collapse, he deleted this post. He issued a statement on X blaming political opponents, quote unquote, some filthy rats of the political caste who want to take advantage of the situation to do harm. I want to say that every day they confirm how vile politicians are, and they increase our conviction to kick them in the ass. Yeah. Retail investors' appetite for celebrity endorsement. Meme coins has been boosted since U.S. President Donald Trump launches. Guys, you gotta stop doing this. We've got to stop looking at celebrities as if they're gonna make us millions of dollars. They don't give a shit about us, guys. I'm not saying Trump doesn't give a shit about us or anything like that. The Trump thing is a little weird. I'm still waiting to see what that's all about. Maybe it was just a meme. Who knows? But there are really good projects doing really amazing things that have huge potential that you could be investing your money in. If you're chasing the meme hype, you're doing it wrong, in my opinion. And I'll challenge anybody to that. I'll sit down and have a long conversation with anybody who's got the balls and the time. And we will talk about how literally toxic meme coins are to the space, to the technology, to the future of crypto. Anyways, Libra raised over $4 billion for market cap after insider selling. Insider Wallet started cashing out on tokens only 3 hours after it debuted forward trading, causing its over 94% decline according to data shared by Kobeissi, by the Kobeissi letter. Other blockchain data firms warned about the project's tokenomics even before the meltdown. Blockchain analyst firm Bubble Maps had warned about Libra's flawed tokenomics, revealing that 82% of the supply was unlocked and sellable from the start. So no liquidity pool, I'm assuming. I'm not sure. Moreover, the project shared no preliminary information about its tokenomics, a major red flag among crypto traders. Yet some of the savviest crypto traders can successfully navigate through volatility of memes despite their intrinsic lack of utility. On February 14th, a savvy crypto quote-unquote sniper made $28 million in profit after buying the latest broccoli meme coins inspired. Here we go, more meme coins inspired by so-and-so. Inspired by Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao's dog. However, speculation has arisen that that trader may have been an insider wallet, because they always are. They're like, listen, by the time you hear about a meme token, if you're not like an insider, it's too late usually. It just really is. We have some guys that are really good in the Discord, in the Pip Connect. But again, like, what are the numbers we're looking at? How many are we hitting? It's just not for me, guys, and it just keeps getting worse. It keeps getting gross. And I believe something needs to be done about it, and I don't know what that is. I don't know if that... do I really want the government to step in and regulate meme coins? Not really. I just wish humans were savvy enough and had enough... what's the word I'm looking for? Self-control to not just ape every meme that hits the market as a lottery ticket, as opposed to learning the space and learning what projects are good projects and doing research and real investing, not just lottery tickets, guys. I digress and I move on. I'm hoping that some of these articles, because they're all about the Libra project, have some new information. If not, we're just going to keep moving through them. Javier Milei risks impeachment after endorsing a $107 million Libra rug pull. The president of Argentina faces significant political pushback after a token he endorsed became a financial catastrophe for investors. We read all this. Is facing calls of impeachment. Maybe this is the plan, right? Think about it, right? Think about it. You're on the opposite side of the aisle. You don't like this guy. He is stirring things up. He's basically tearing down the traditional face of politicians. And it's ruining your racket. So you put together a scheme to talk him into promoting a token that sounds all good on the front end, and then you rug it. So again, him being the face, he takes all the responsibility, all the liability. Let me explain something. This is not new when it comes to politics. Happens all the time. All the time. Well, all the time is not the right word. It has happened multiple times in political history. You take a good guy that's doing the right thing for the people. You get him tied up in some bullshit that he thinks is good that ends up being a scam. And he receives all the blame for it. Or they receive all the blame for it. Yeah. Anyways, Solana native Libra token started its rally on February 14th. Shortly after Milei posted about the project on X, formerly Twitter. His now deleted posts included a website and contract address for the token, which was a private project dedicated to encouraging the growth of the Argentine economy. Nothing new here. Milei now faces risk of impeachment after Argentina's FinTech chamber acknowledged that the case may be a rug pull. The scandal, which embarrasses us on an international scale, requires us to launch an impeachment request against the president. Yeah, this sounds like a setup, man. Why would he be this stupid? After tokens collapsed on February 15th, Milei issued a statement on X noting that he was not aware of the details of the project when he endorsed it. and that he has no connection whatsoever with the private enterprise that launched the token. The only issue you have there, bud, is that you should have done your research. That would be my argument to you. Mealy also added that his political opponents will look to take advantage of the situation, adding, of course they will. The filthy rats, blah, 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 we know that. Mealy has requested an anti-corruption office to investigate all government members, including the president himself, for potential misconduct, according to a February X statement issued by Argentina's presidential office, Afina del Presidente. The statement also revealed that Mealy held a meeting with KIP protocol representatives on October 19th in Argentina, where the company informed him about the Libra blockchain project and its aims to finance private ventures in the country. Mealy also met with mysterious crypto entrepreneur Hayden Mark Davis at Casa Rosada on January 30th, who was presented to the president as an infrastructure partner for the project. All information gathered during the investigation will be handed over to the courts to determine whether any of the companies or individuals linked to the KIP protocol project committed a crime. The statement said, yeah, I don't know, man. It just doesn't make sense. Look. What, like, why? Like, blockchain, okay, here's what's wild. Blockchain can be traced. It's like, you can follow you can jump through wallets, you can follow the ledger, you can see it all. Why would someone that's a president do something like this knowing that they were going to rug and knowing that he was going to end up holding the fucking stick? It just logically doesn't make sense. No one's that stupid. Despite really deleting his initial endorsement, at least 8 insider wallets linked to the Libra team managed to cash out over $107 million worth of liquidity, including $57.6 million in USDC. We read all this. This is all from the old article. It literally... This is what... Okay. Cointelegraph literally pushes the same articles over and over now. This is the exact same paragraph that was in the last article. All right, moving on. More meme coin bullshit, guys. Stay away from this stuff. I'm telling you, like, learn projects, research projects, learn how to tear apart a project to see if it's a good investment. Stop chasing the fucking memes. Saudi crown prince impersonators launch fake Saudi Arabia meme coin. Scammers impersonating Saudi Arabia's crown prince launched a fake KSA meme coin, exploiting investors' enthusiasm for celebrity-backed tokens. Officials have confirmed the account was hacked. Same thing with Dustin Poirier, UFC fighter. Got hacked. They launched a meme coin. Scammers impersonating Saudi Arabia's crown prince Mohammed bin Salman launched a fraud. Why is it always S names? Launched a fraudulent cryptocurrency capitalizing on the retail frenzy around celebrity-backed meme coins. Scammers impersonating the crown prince, who is also the prime minister of Saudi Arabia, launched the token to attract capital from unsuspecting investors. Scammers impersonating the crown prince, who is also the prime minister of Saudi Arabia, blah, blah, blah. I've read that, I'm sorry. The official Saudi Arabia meme coin, KSA, was announced on February 17th, according to an ex-post by the account Saudi Law Conf, a fake account impersonating the crown prince. The first red flag from the token was the absence of any official government communication, the lack of details on the project's tokenomics or underlying utility. Shortly after this, okay, I want you guys to understand this if you're new to crypto. Lack of details on the project, no tokenomics or underlying utility. So no use case, no tokenomics, meaning who's holding the wallet, where's the liquidity pool, are there any tokens locked up, was there a pre-sale, etc., etc. This is how you learn if a project's good or not, guys. Shortly after the scam coin was launched, the original owners of the X account, the Saudi Law Conference, confirmed that their X account was hacked by impersonators, according to a February 17th LinkedIn post, which stated, the conference management announces that the official conference account on the X platform has been hacked and that any content currently published through the account does not represent our opinions or official orientations in any way. The scam token launch came days after rapid rise of Argentina president. Dude, this is a cabal of people that know exactly what they're doing. There's no way that these things happening this close together isn't connected. Talking about the Libra coin. To stay safe amid the current wave of meme coin scams, investors, which meme coins aren't scams? Besides, like, what, the 5? That really, the only reason they're not scams is because there's a bunch of bag holders that are propping up the market cap. But seriously, there's no use case in these things, so how are they not scams? Sorry, to stay safe amid the current wave of meme coin scams, investors need to conduct more quote-unquote due diligence about a project's backing and its tokenomics. According to Andy Liam, author and intergovernmental blockchain expert, he told Cointelegraph, yes, 100%. Guys, if you're looking at meme coins instead of regular projects consistently, you're doing it wrong. Don't just throw cash at something because it's got a catchy name or claims to be quote-unquote official. Check who's behind the project. If a team is all mysterious or you can't dig up any real info on them, that's a red flag waving you right in the face. Thank you. Thank you, God. If you've listened to me talk on Andy's pod or any of Andy's Zoom calls, in the Discord, here on Facebook or YouTube, I have been beating this. Learn how to research a project. It's not actually that hard. It doesn't take a lot of time. We have all the information at our fingertips right now, guys. Stop aping into memes. I'm over this. I'm so over this, and I hate to sound like the grumpy old dude from crypto, the boomer crypto guy, but this is bullshit. You're gonna get burned, and you should. Like, look. When Pump.Fun came out, hear me on this. When Pump.Fun came out, and people were creating memes left and right, why is it that every time a meme rugs, people seem surprised? Because some 15-year-old in his basement created a token instantly, and you threw thousands of dollars at it, and basically built up liquidity like $36,000, $50,000 for this 15-year-old kid. Of course he's gonna fucking rug you. He only started the coin for one reason, to make money. You don't suck at memes, Tyler. There's no rhyme or reason to it. Unless you're an insider trader. Unless you have inside information. That's all they are. I don't know why this memes, they just keep rugging me. I don't get it. I don't understand. Like, for real, guys. This is fucking ridiculous. Sorry. I am professional. I promise. Ugh. All right, transparency is key. If they won't show their faces, they might just be looking to run with your money. You don't say. Meme coins backed by political figures led to multi-million investor losses. Another significant red flag for investors was that the token contract for the fake Saudi Arabia meme coin was launched on chain on February 10th, a week ahead of the announcement. Solid-based meme coin launchpad Pump.Fun. Look, if anyone's launching something on Pump.Fun, it's like a 99.9% chance they're going to take your money from you. It's not going to go anywhere. It's a Ponzi scheme. All memes are Ponzis, like of the worst kind. You don't make money unless someone comes in and puts money on top of you. And then you take your money out and they lose money. It's a Ponzi. There's nothing backing in the price up. There's no reason for it to grow except for people just dumping money into it. No technology, no use case, no utility, no teams of devs, no VC investors. It's a Ponzi. Anyway, however, the token failed to attract investor capital, assuming only $7,489 worth of market cap since it launched on Pump.Fun. Data shows. Yeah. Stop it. Stop the meme shit. Stop it. Moving on. Melania endorsed Libra token was open secret in meme coin circles. Argentina President Javier Milei faces impeachment calls for political opponents after endorsing a cryptocurrency that turned into a $100 million rug pull. We know all this. I want to see. According to the controversy, some members of the decentralized exchange Jupiter were reportedly aware of the token's imminent launch weeks before it hit the market. The token's launch was, this is probably why Jupiter's getting hit too, because they had inside information. Guys, a lot of guys got in trouble on OpenSea for doing the same shit for launches of NFTs last cycle. People who controlled the front page of OpenSea were basically all in cahoots and would talk about getting into an NFT before putting it on the front page of OpenSea. And as soon as they did, people would see it and ape into that NFT project, and the guys would sell and make money. Guys, people are scandalous when it comes to money. I'm telling you, diabolical. Don't put it past anyone, man. Anyway, the token's launch was an open secret in meme coin circles, Jupiter Exchange stated. We learned of this 2 weeks ago directly from Kelser Ventures. While we were initially unsure, we then saw credible evidence in the form of public tweets from Meili's personal account that he was serious. We were completely unaware of dealings between the principals in this case, Meili and the market makers, and we're not involved in it in any way, shape, or form, added the exchange. I'm calling bullshit. No evidence of insider trading among team members. I'm calling bullshit. Jupiter saying, if you have evidence of Jupiter employees leaking information or otherwise sniping, please reach out directly. Jupiter stated, if we discover any team members acted on non-public information, we will take quick and decisive action. Morning, Jeremy. Did I answer that for you? Did you get the, did you hear me talking about Solana? How I felt about it? Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, man. This is it. There's not that, I mean, this is kind of the biggest news story right now. We're trying to see how the market's gonna react. It is 9:30, guys. I am so sorry. What does traditional market look like right now? US 30. Jesus, that's a straight fucking line. US 30 is 100% sideways in the 4 hour. Let's go to small time frames and see what it is doing right now. Small push up. Bitcoin. Bitcoin should have pump on the 30-minute. And where's Solana? All right, if you missed it, Jeremy, this is what I'm talking about with Solana. I'm not selling right now, and I think it'll be fine out of this FUD, but I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that. But what I'm looking at, again, is you have major support within this box and have had it for months and months and months. So with that being said, if we lose this box, basically we lose 170, start ticking down into 165s, 160s, 155s, I will start liquidating my position and going into other layer ones with more promising moves and not a bad rap on their shoulders right now and a bunch of FUD. Do I think Solana's going to survive the FUD? Absolutely. But again, I have a hunch that we're going to start seeing liquidity move from Solana to other, I don't want to say more established, it's not the right word, just other layer ones that aren't just pumping memes all the time. I think this meme shit is probably going to run its course. I hope so. Like, I'll say it this way. I hope this meme shit runs its course. Everybody's learned their lesson and they're over it. So start looking for liquidity to flow into Cardano, liquidity to flow into Ethereum, 100%. Look for liquidity to flow into Injective, Sui, BNB. There's something going on with BNB, and I am not exposed to BNB at all. But they're doing some shit, and there's money flowing into it. So it's something to think about. I just hit it again, Jeremy. If you heard it, you know, give me a thumbs up or whatever. If not, no worries, man. It's there twice. It's the beginning of the video and at the end. Ethereum still moving up. BNB still looking good. Cardano looking good. Swee's been kind of stable lately. Yeah. Well, guys, that is all I've got for you this morning. I apologize for ruining the beginning of the video, or when I first started the video, talking without my mic on for a solid 30 minutes. But outside of that, per usual, guys, if you do enjoy the content I provide for you here every morning on Boring Crypto, please, by all means, like the video on whatever platform you're watching, whether it be YouTube or Facebook. Please share the link to either of those streams on all of your social platforms. Let's get more people in here. Let's build this community and get more people exposed to crypto. If you're interested in learning to trade crypto, trade traditional markets, become more financially savvy, and be part of a rad community that helps you make more money, basically. Guys, click on the link in the chat to the Pip Connect. That is Andy Peters' personal Discord. If you do have any questions about it, by all means, reach out to me or Andy. We'll try and get those questions answered, see if it's the right fit for you. And outside of that, I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning, and try not to mess up the video. I am out of here.